next 2 hours, great AEW action that you have come to expect. A lot of stories to talk about. A lot of things are going on. And what a way to start our telecast.
Your collision opening contest is a 10-man tag team match set for one fall. Introducing first, accompanied by Marina Shafir, the Bastard Pack, Claudio Castagnoli, and the AEW Continental Champion, John Moxley.
A rare smile on the face of the leader of the Death Riders there as he made his way out. John Moxley, a man without compunction or boundaries. And so in this past week on Dynamite, we saw him extend an olive branch to former foe Will Ospreay to join the Death Riders. And as we saw on Wednesday, it certainly seemed to be taken. And that, one would guess, is the reason that John Moxley is smiling right now. And, you know, we've known John Moxley for many years. I think sometimes when he's smiling, that's probably when he's most dangerous.
Yeah, certainly. The eyes of a snake, a lizard. There is something reptilian about Moxley, undoubtedly, and one can only imagine as dangerous and vicious as the Death Riders has been with him at the helm. The addition of a competitor the caliber of a Will Ospreay would change the complexion of things in AEW, perhaps forever.
We are opening up this telecast with a 10-man, count it, 10-man tag. And here are the partners for members of the Death Riders.
Brother Nash told me to. That's how you treat the dogs, baby. Welcome to the dog pound. Time to go to work then. Let's go. Let's go, baby.
Joining them at a combined weight of 426 pounds, Clark Connors and David Finlay, the Dog.
Yes, it's going to be David Finlay, Clark Connors teaming with Claudio Castagnoli, Pac, and the AEW Continental Champion, John Moxley. That is on one side.
Quite a scary, frightening quintuplet. 2/3 of the dogs. David Finlay, 100%, 100 proof Clark Connors. Finlay, the first ever fourth generation wrestler. The calm to Gabe Kidd's Storm. Kidd, of course, out injured now. They said one dog down, where the rest of us won't die.